Hello guys. So this is an update on VRC Comprehensive 1.0, also known as Project Quest, the live online classroom program for CAT Verbal run by TVM. I request you all to watch this video till the end so that you know what is on offer here and you can make an informed decision. So what is VRC Comprehensive 1.0? It refers to the first batch of intakes for Project Quest 2022, the live online classroom offering for CAT Verbal by TVM. For those who do not know, the course Quest, Project Quest, is intended to be the most comprehensive and rigorous offering for CAT VRC preparation in the market. Guys, the course is scientifically designed and is primarily based on two theories of learning, cognitive and constructivist. The former theory of learning proposes that if a learner is made to watch his thoughts, if a learner is made to understand how he or she thinks, then his thought process can be refined. He himself watches, he becomes conscious of his thoughts, and some progress can be made. The second constructivist theory of learning proposes that a learner inevitably brings his experiences of life to the classroom and he relates every bit of information he receives in the classroom. He learns through these experiences. He relates his experiences with the information that. So keeping this thing in mind, we know that you have biases. You construct your own reality around the information that you receive. You have biases, prejudices, preconceived notions, ideas. So every question, every answer choice is designed in such a way as to tempt you to think along wrong lines, then identify those mistakes and gradually improve. So these are the two scientific theories, principles that we follow. At least we try to follow. The course will be conducted in 3 stages. In stage 1 of preparation, we learn CAT concepts. We learn how to apply these concepts. And we also engage in background learning. This is important. Any mentor in this industry is going to tell you that a reading habit is absolutely necessary to score well on the VRC section. We make you read. We make you read books. We make you read articles. Regular assignments are given to you. They are discussed in the classroom. So background learning also, this is stage 1. We are building our base, our foundation. We are working on ourselves. We are not working on exam. I do not believe in working on exam. That does not help. My philosophy is work on yourself, upgrade yourself, develop your skills. Exam, a good score on exam is only going to be a byproduct of self-development. So stage 1 is all about self-development. Stage 2, from July to November, you are made to practice 4 RCs every day. You heard me right. From July, for 4 months, 4-5 months, July, August, September, October, November, 5 months. For 5 months, you are made to practice 4 RCs every day without fail. This is what I mean by rigorous practice. It's not just a word. It's not just a word for me. Rigorous practice means rigorous practice. And also, you receive time training. You practice all these 4 RCs in a time-bound manner. So time training also happens. Stage 3, the final stage of preparation, the last 2 months, you write mock tests, sectional tests, and you train yourselves with, of course, my help. You train yourself temperamentally. Guys, believe me when I say this, temperament, the right temperament is as important to score well as is skill. And many people do not know how to operate under pressure, under that, your ghanti that is running over your head all the time when you are writing a mock test. So temperament training is very crucial. Here, 3rd stage takes care of. Plus, you get personalized guidance. You get, I interact with my students one-to-one, and tell them where they lack, what are the possible areas of improvement, what is their strength, etc. So this is all what I commit. These are the 3 stages of the course. So as you can see, I would like to believe at least the course is the right blend of concept and intensive practice, which is intended to habituate you with the nuances of thought that complex text and complex answer choices entail. So this is what Project Quest, the course, is all about. Okay. And VRC Comprehensive 1.0 simply refers to the first batch of admissions, first batch of intakes for the same course. Okay. One question I'm frequently asked: do I need to prepare for verbal from elsewhere if I enroll in this course? My straight answer to this is absolutely not. I believe, guys, I have only one thing to offer, that is CAT verbal. I have only one thing, only one course that I run verbal. And if I do not do it well, I will soon be out of market. And if I am not able to take care of verbal, completely for a student, for a learner, I think I am failing. I'm doing something wrong. Therefore, there's absolutely no need. As a matter of fact, ask any CAT 2021 student enrolled in a TVM courses. Only the most sincere students will be able to follow the plan religiously. It is so rigorous. As I told you, from July to November, every day 4 RCs. Do you think after this you need to, or you have time to refer to other sources? No, absolutely not. Of course, it is up to you. It is your choice. If you still want to refer to, if you still want to practice more, if you still have that appetite left, very good, go ahead. There is, there's nothing called enough practice. There's no upper limit to practice. There's no ceiling. Go ahead. But you don't need to if you are doing it right. You're only expected to follow the plan religiously, to practice these RCs every day. And to a certain extent, you are also made to follow the plan religiously, because I personally, involve myself. Every day we have classes. Every day from July to November, 4 RCs in live classroom setting. We discuss together. So I think, that takes care of regularity. Okay. By the way, the course takes care of everything from that a learner needs, from concept classes to practice questions to sectional mock tests to personalized guidance. So there is nothing left. You don't have to refer to any other source, therefore. Another question that I am frequently asked these days: do I need to enroll for any paid course at all, let alone TVM? Do I need to enroll for any paid course at all? Can't I prepare on my own? My first response to this is absolutely you can. Sure, you can, prepare on your own. You don't need any coaching. All you need is 4 important qualities. Number 1, if you are decidedly intelligent enough. Second, if you are disciplined. Third, if you are self-motivated all the time. Fourth, if you are resilient. Then please do not join any coaching. If you have all these 4 qualities, do not join any coaching. You don't need to. Prepare on your own. And you will be able to score well. Trust me when I say this. However, unfortunately, only a very small percentage of learners have all these 4 qualities, especially discipline and self-motivation. They are, they are rarely found among us these days, including us mentors. If we do not have a structure in place, if we do not have a plan set out for us in place, we tend to fall behind. We are lazy. We procrastinate. We put off things on a back burner. I'll tell you what happens when a student self-studies. He has a lot of material available online for free these days, but most of this material is fragmented. He does not know where to start. He does not know, what topic he should do after this. There's no structure. There's no course plan. So that is one benefit that you can reap by enrolling in a coaching, in any coaching institute, or good coaching institute, or having a mentor. Second, Discipline. If you know that there are live classes happening every day, you tend to be disciplined. If there are none, then well, okay, it's up to us. We will study whenever we want to. So live online classes have multiple benefits. One of them is keeping you disciplined. Third, you get direction, guidance. If you have access to a mentor, a good mentor. Fourth, and this is important, you might think, okay, we will prepare on our own, but let me tell you this, guys, CAT prep journey is a long and arduous one. Every year I see, and this is a fact, every year I see 70% of the candidates, 60% of the candidates giving up before the CAT day. They're so frustrated at times, they're demotivated, they're putting in effort, but there no results, no graph, no upward moving graph. Therefore, at these times, if you have access to a mentor, he can motivate you, he can bring you back on track, because we have been there, done that, and many times. So we know what it takes. So that is another intangible benefit that you can reap out of enrolling for an institute. Also, the resources available online, guys, let me tell you this. You might want to believe it is so much. Yes, it is so much, yet it is only a very small percentage of what any institute offers inside the classroom. So yes, there are courses, but none matches the kind of course that they offer inside the classroom. Last, not the least important, when you invest in something, you value it more. Obviously, if you're not invested, if you have not invested money, probably you can get lakhs. But when you have invested money, you value money. Money is something that we all value a lot. So when you're invested in something, you value it more. So yes, having said this, again, if you are decidedly intelligent, if you are disciplined, if you are self-motivated, and if you're resilient, you know that you can, you will persist, you will persevere, and even when you feel disappointed, you will gather yourself, muster courage, and again study hard on your own. Then there's no need to join coaching. Prepare on your own. Otherwise, consider all these factors: discipline, structured plan, and having access, motivation, having access to a mentor, good mentor. Okay. Now, one important question that I would like to address is this: is the course right fit for me? Here is a disclaimer right away. Guys, the course is very rigorous. It is exacting. It is demanding. And I am not here to, I do not tell my students to work on exam. I tell them to work on themselves. There will be practice sessions every day, rigorous practice sessions. You will feel like giving up, but you can't. As simple as that. So first thing, those looking for some shortcuts, those looking for magical tricks, those looking for some tips to enhance score, please do not enroll. Please do not enroll in my course. This is not for you. Watch some YouTube videos with the clickbaits, how to score 99 percentile in 10 days, that you belong to that particular category. I do not cater to these students. Maybe they have some trick, I do not have any trick. I believe only sincere hard work over a protracted period of time, can bring about results. I do not believe in any magical shortcuts or tips. I am not going to give you any. There will be techniques discussed in class, logical techniques, yes, to read. And trust me when I say this, most learners do not even know how to read because they have never been taught. Therefore, there will be techniques to read. There will be technicalities taught to you, grammar, some grammar points which are very effective in reading. There will be a lot of concepts, but there are not going to be tricks to score. No. So if you're looking for shortcuts, please do not enroll. Only if you are willing to work hard on yourself and you believe that the journey that you are preparing yourself for, the post MBA journey, I'm not talking only about getting into a B school, but beyond that. If you believe that you need the skills, only then you are deserving of that, of such a position, managerial position. that you're preparing, or CEO position that you're preparing yourselves for. Only if you believe that you are willing to work on yourselves and develop those skills, please enroll to these courses. Another important point, if you're sincere about MBA, and MBA is not your backup plan or something like this, if you're sincere about MBA, if you're sincere about getting into a B school, this probably is the best fit for you. The course is best fit for you. And last but not the least, please do not think that I'm going to teach you, English translations. If your fundamentals are very weak, if you can't understand a sentence that you read in English, please do not enroll in this course, or for that matter, any course in the industry, in the market. They will tell you a lot of things. They will tell you, okay, we will prepare you, we will also teach you English, but no institute teaches translations. So if your basics, if your fundamentals are poor, if your fundamentals are not in place, if you can't understand English properly, if you can't understand a sentence in English, I'm talking about simple sentences, not talking about complex sentences. Of course, many students do not understand complex sentences. That is what we are here for. But if you can't understand simple sentences, if you can't communicate in English, then this course is not for you. Please do not come. In fact, in my previous video also, I said, work on yourself for 1 year and then enroll, to any course. If you belong to one of this, if you belong to this category, if you're one of this category. Otherwise, these institutes are going to make a fool of you. I do not claim that I'm going to make you a reader and an English speaker in a span of 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 months that I have. No, this is too much to ask for. But if your basics are in place, if you can, read simple sentences, then you're most welcome. Please enroll. Okay. I have been asked this question by a few students, and I'm glad that I've been asked this question. Why TVM? Honestly, I don't know why. But here are some facts that I can share with you. And these are facts, hard facts. Number one, we have education at the core of our institute, and the bottom line only comes next. Just to share some facts with you, for the past 2 years, the sheer volume of the man hours that I have put in, and the cost of these man hours is probably only half the cost that I have been able to recover through, course fees, etc. So the bottom line does not matter, but I know it will come back to me sooner or later. All the good thing, I believe I'm doing something good. I don't know whether students, I'm sure some of the students believe the same, but I'm not sure about everybody. So we have education at the core of our institute. Bottom line only comes next. So even if I have to operate in a cost ineffective way, and I have to put in a lot of hours to make that thing happen for some of the students, I don't mind. So this is first thing. Second, we are the only dedicated institute for verbal preparation. Our focus does not waver. Guys, please understand, I have only one offering, verbal. If I do not do it well, I am soon out of market. I do not have any other offering. I do not offer courses in DI. I do not offer we do not have any courses for quant. We have only one offering, and we must therefore do it effectively to sustain. Otherwise, we will soon be out of market. I will also like to make one thing clear here. There are many portals now which are claiming that they are dedicated verbal portals. They are not. If an institute, if a coaching institute, if a portal offers courses for all the 3 sections, it cannot claim to be the only, to be a portal dedicated to verbal. We, on the other hand, have no other course. We have only verbal. Therefore, this is another reason that you might think validates our stand here. Why TVM? Maybe because this is the case. Third, if you simply calculate the value proposition of the course being offered, VRC Comprehensive has one of the highest value propositions. If you calculate the number of live classroom hours, number of practice questions, mock tests, quality of teaching, everything else, and weigh it all against the course fees, you will realize that you are getting a lot, guys. In fact, CAT 2020, some of my CAT 2021 students had this to say during the course. Sir, you have charged very little, and these are their words. You have charged very little for so much, and even if the fees were double, it would be justified. So that is their, this is their words. So the value proposition is high. Last, guys, the chief mentor, and at present the only mentor, that is yours truly, has a rich and a diverse teaching experience. You don't get taught by other mentors, you get taught by me personally. We don't have another mentor right now. We are not at that scale, and probably we will never have. For the foreseeable future, I will not, unless the quality is as good as I would like it to be. So the chief mentor, that is me, has a rich and diverse teaching experience of around 14 years, spanning various segments of the test prep industry. I have taught students for CAT, GMAT, and GRE primarily, among others, PDP training, etc., everything. And I have guided tens of thousands of students by now to their dream B schools, guys, both in India and abroad. I have many students today sitting in IIMs, top IIMs, ABCs. I have students in Harvard. I have students in, but that is their achievement. That is not my achievement. Just to give you an idea of the kind of experience that you get. Okay. Though I have shared it in my previous video, the video in which I told you about the course, the first video, still some people have asked, when does the first batch start? VRC Comprehensive 1.0. The enrollments are already happening. Many have already enrolled. Maybe not as many as I would like to, but would like to have enrolled, but many have already enrolled. And the first batch starts from 4th of January 2022. Okay. What is the class schedule? The first batch, Comprehensive 1.0, classes will be conducted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 8 to 10 p.m. 8 to 10 p.m. in winters, and maybe 9 to 11 in the summers. And this is flexible. We might change it a little depending upon the preferences of the candidates who enroll, the learners who enroll. So some of the enrolled students have requested me to change it to 9 to 11, and I have conceded to the request. I have said, okay, we will see if everybody wants 9 to 11, then we will probably have classes from 9 to 11. Anyway, 8 to 10 in winters and 9 to 11 in summers is the plan right now. Tuesdays and Fridays, that's the plan. So this is the class schedule. Also, please note that you get recorded sessions. So if you think that you cannot attend live sessions at these timings, maybe you will miss some of these sessions, not all, because then there's no purpose for joining live classes. But if you think some of the classes you might miss, it's okay, because you get live, you get recordings for revision purposes. Is there any other batch or any other timings? Right now, VRC Comprehensive 1.0 is the only cohort open for intakes. VRC Comprehensive 2.0 will be made, information about it will be made public as and when that is launched. Of course, there will be more batches, but right now we don't have any other batch. We are not offering any other batch. This is the only batch that we have right now. When will it open? When will admissions to the second cohort open? We don't know as of now. Maybe late January, maybe February, we don't know. So it remains to be seen. And students, and one important thing here, students enrolling for 1.0 will have the option to transfer to any other batch later without any additional cost. So if you think that you want to start your preparation right away and maybe switch later to a time more suitable to you, that will be an option. The other batches will have different times and different days, of course. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose for having another batch. So this is what we have right now. Next question. Will I get access to the VRC booster series to be launched in July? Guys, every Project Quest student, one who enrolls for the entire course, complete course, VRC Comprehensive Project Quest, will get complimentary access to booster series as well as mock tests conducted from July to September. So yes, you get access to everything that is on offer. You don't have to pay a penny extra for booster series or mock test later. What is the fees? Shared with you already in the previous video. Project Quest, the base fees is 8,999. VRC booster series that starts from July to September, it costs 4,500, but it is complimentary for you, those who enroll to Project Quest. KitKat mock test series that starts in October, September, October. It costs 3,299. This is also complimentary for you. So the total fees, if you add these components, should come out to be 16,498. But everything is being offered at 8,999 right now, and that too with an early bird discount of 2,000 till 25th December. Now, please note, 25th December, that is tomorrow. This discount is valid only till tomorrow, Christmas, for this VRC Comprehensive 1.0. This is the deadline for early bird discount. After this, any student enrolling to the course will have to pay 8,999. So if you are planning to enroll, hold your seat. Also, some of my students have requested me to keep the discount open till CAT results, CAT 2021 results are announced. Maybe they are waiting for the results to see whether they have a chance or not. I may consider this request for those who have appeared for CAT 2021 and are waiting for 2021 results. I may consider this request for them, but for fresh enrollments, you'll have to show me the adamant. For fresh enrollments, there will be no discount after tomorrow. 8,999 will be the fee. So please enroll if you are planning on enrolling by tomorrow to avail this discount. Thank you. By the way, how do I enroll? A simple process. Please visit our website, verbalmentor.testpress.in. Link is shared with you in the description. Hit the course CAT 2022 VRC Comprehensive 1.0 Cohort 1. On the sales page, use the coupon code EARLY22 for a flat 2,000 off. So early bird discount can be availed using this coupon EARLY22, valid only till 25th December, Christmas, tomorrow. Okay. And if you have also, once you enroll for this course, please join the Telegram group, the public Telegram group, CAT Prep, the Verbal Mentor, for updates. A private group for enrolled students will be formed soon. Not soon enough, however, it will be formed 2 days before the official launch date, that is 4th January. You will also have to fill the enrollment form to be shared soon on the same group. Those of you who have already enrolled to the course will also get this enrollment form through the public Telegram group. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can contact me, reach out to me directly through this Telegram group, CAT Prep, the Verbal Mentor. Thank you very much, guys. Hope to see you on the other side. Bye-bye.